Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple has placed an iPhone factory in southern India on probation following protests over food poisoning and living conditions. The yield on 30-year British government bonds hit its highest since November 4th, the day the Bank of England wrong-footed markets by keeping interest rates on hold as investor concerns eased. After months of fine-tuning the crypto wallet during the October alpha testing, Robinhood is now ready to move to the beta phase.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 14:45 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Spain's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0800 GMT. Spain's HICP at 0800 GMT. The Austrian Producer Price Index at 0800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.